Hi, my name is Delcon Anthony. I'm a published author and radio DJ. In this video, pag-usapan natin paano nga ba ma-monetize ang iyong YouTube channel. So, kung gusto mo ma-monetize ang YouTube channel mo, watch this video until the end. Kasi yung pinakang end na dapat mong gawin, I think that's the most important one. So, ako, matagal na akong nag-upload ng videos sa YouTube, but recently lang ako na-monetized. And that's because of only one video na nag-viral. So you only need one video para ma-monetize ka. And it took like less than a week para ma-reach yung thresholds na kailangan mo, yung requirements na nire-require ni YouTube para ma-monetize ka, like the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 watch hours. It took only 1 week. Or hindi, siguro medyo lampas ng konti sa 1 week, but more or less it's 1 week lang. This is because of one video. And now dire-diretso yung pagpasok ng pera sa YouTube channel. Hindi lang dahil dun sa isang video na nag-viral. That's the only reason. Yung isang video na yon, papakita ko ito yung video na nag-viral. Here, ilalagay ko sa screen. And now that na-monetize na yung YouTube channel ko, lahat ng video na in-upload ko from before, lahat sila nagmo-monetize na, and lahat sila sinasuggest ni YouTube because sa mga nag-subscribe because of that one video. So you only need one video to go viral para mag-monetize ka. Ganun kabilis yung monetization. One tick ng daliri mo and monetize. So here are 3 things na pwede mong gawin to monetize your YouTube channel. Number 1, inspire or motivate. So, meron tayong mga YouTube channel na dedicated sila for inspirational videos and motivational videos. Now, you can reuse, so it's a practice ng ibang YouTube channel. You can reuse the long form video sa mga motivational speakers, inspirational speakers, and or you can do your own motivational talk, or you can do your own inspirational talk para you create your own video and be that, inspire or motivate. That's one of the things you can do para ma-monetize yung YouTube channel mo. The second one is educate. That's what I do. I do tutorial videos, and you can do that too. Kahit di naman tutorial videos. Halimbawa, marunong kang magaling ka sa ML, kunyari, ganyan. You can do videos about that. Educate people na gustong matutong mag-ML, na gumaling sa ML, or you can do like sa mga subjects mo sa English, kunyari, like noun, verb, and all. Pwede 'yon. Ang tawag sa atin is edu-creators. So you can educate people para mag-monetize yung YouTube channel mo. You'll be surprised kung gaano kadaming tao ang nagse-search ng how-to videos. So napakaganda ng niche na to. Number 3 is you can entertain. Na ito yung mga ginagawa ng mga vloggers, yung mga nagva-vlog ng kanilang daily life, or yung ginagawa na Sir Gaben, or meron naman yung gumagawa ng mga challenges, pranks, anything na entertaining. It's also a good niche kasi ang mga tao napunta sa YouTube to be entertained. Most of them ay nasa YouTube to be entertained, diba? Kaya you can also do that. So those are the 3 things na pwede mong gawin para ma-monetize yung YouTube channel mo para mabilis. So choose one niche, or choose your own niche kung saan ka mas comfortable. Kagaya nito, ginagawa ko, I'm educating the watchers, you na nanonood. So I'm on the educator niche, di ba? Nandun ako, so nag-educate ako ng mga tao na gustong matuto. So if meron akong idea or meron akong isang bagay na kaya kong ituro, or I'm a master do sa or an expert dun sa matter na yon, I shoot a video and I upload it, diba? And some people will look for it, will search for it, and makita nila, and they will watch, and then it benefits my channel, my YouTube channel. So you can also do that. So pili ka lang doon sa 3 na niche and stick with it, diba? Maaaring hindi siya agad-agad, hindi siya mabilis. Like, kung papakita ko sa inyo yung dami ng videos na na-upload ko before na monetize yung channel ko. Kasi may mga tao na 5 uploads, 10 uploads, ayaw na agad, pinanghihinaan agad na love. Ilalagay ko sa screen ko kung gaano kadami yung videos na na-upload ko before siya na-monetize. Here. Yan. See, ang dami-dami ng videos na nagawa ko before ako na-monetize. And you only need one video. Isa lang yung video na kailangan mo. para mag-landslide yung yung subscribers. And yung pinakang last na pwede mong gawin, na dapat mong gawin para ma-monetize yung YouTube channel mo is to upload content. That's the most important part, upload. Hindi siya agad-agad, it's a slow process. It's a very slow burn thing na itong process sa pagpapamonetize ng YouTube channel. So, wag kang mainip, 'di ba? Just keep on uploading stuff at merong manonood niyan. Meron at isasuggest siya ni YouTube sa ibang subscriber, sa ibang users ng YouTube, and napakadaming users ng YouTube. Hindi ka mauubusan ng viewers, hindi ka mauubusan ng audience, hindi ka mauubusan at all. So, just keep on uploading and do your thing. 'Di ba? Wag kang mainip. Choose one niche, stick with it, upload a video, and wait for it na mag-monetize. Keep on uploading. Yun lang. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe ka na, please, ganon. And also hit the notification bell para na-notify ka every time I upload a video. Yun lang. Bye.